Welcome to Cook Pro. Today I am here to share with you a delicious dessert recipe called Vermicelli Custard Dessert with Tutti Frutti. Ingredients you will need is 1 cup vermicelli, thin, 2 cups milk, 3 tablespoons custard powder, 4 tablespoons sugar, adjust to taste, 2 tablespoons clarified butter, ghee, 1/4 cup mixed dry fruits, such as almonds, cashews, raisins, tutti frutti for garnish. First prepare vermicelli. Heat clarified butter, ghee, in a pan over medium heat. Add vermicelli and roast until golden brown, stirring constantly to prevent burning. This should take about 3-4 minutes. Next step, prepare custard. In a separate bowl, mix custard powder with a little milk to form a smooth paste. Heat the remaining milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the milk starts to simmer, add sugar and stir until dissolved. Gradually pour the custard paste into the simmering milk, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Cook for 2-3 minutes until the custard thickens. Remove from heat. Then combine vermicelli and custard. Add the roasted vermicelli to the custard mixture and mix well. Simmer for another 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the vermicelli is cooked through and the mixture thickens to your desired consistency. Now add dry fruits. Stir in the mixed dry fruits and mix gently. Now you can serve and enjoy this delicious mouth-watering dessert with your family and friends. So let's serve. Transfer the vermicelli custard dessert into serving bowls or dishes. Allow to cool slightly. Garnish with tutti frutti on top for added color and flavor. Enjoy warm or chilled as per your preference. Enjoy your delicious vermicelli custard dessert. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to hit the like, share, follow and subscribe to enjoy more mouth-watering videos. Peace out.